Here is how to change who can see the people, pages and lists you follow on Facebook. So we should proceed to main menu. Tap on menu at the bottom right corner of the screen if you use iPhone iOS devices. And if you use Android devices, tap on three lines menu at the top right corner of the screen. Alright, once you're here, you basically can tap on the gear icon over here at the top right corner of the screen. If you do not see the gear icon, you just scroll all the way down and tap on settings and privacy, then proceed to settings. Once you're here, you just tap on default audio and settings, then tap on custom, tap on next. And here in the very bottom you will see who can see the people, pages and lists you follow. Tap on it and select one of them. So basically by default select a public. Anyone on Facebook can do it. Friends, your friends on Facebook can see who you follow, and friends except don't show to some friends. For example, any of these, and tap on done. Special friends, this means you can select one of these friends from your list and tap on done to save it. And of course only me, this means only you can see your people, pages and list you follow. When you finish, tap on save and then tap on done at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on done over here at the bottom. Then go back and use your Facebook application.